Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. Now in today's video, the question is, can you really make money on YouTube with Vidnami? Yeah, now Vidnami is one of the video creation softwares that I use. This is the logo for it, and I've uploaded videos in the past talking about it and showing you ways how to make money. But the question is, can you really make money on YouTube with Vidnami? Now, I'm going to show you guys a few channels making money, and then I'm going to show you some proof. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm going to take the screen off because I don't think you want to look at me with a red face. For some reason, my camera's playing up. So let's get into it. So this is my channel. Like I said, if you want to check it out, I show different ways to make money with video using different video creation softwares. I upload videos to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Fiverr, show different niches, and yeah, so come and check it out, guys. Appreciate the support. One of the channels, guys, is called F List, yeah, and they're making 327 to 5.2 every single month on AdSense, and these are the videos, guys. Look, they're just stock footage or pictures of the actors and actresses, and with text on the screen, guys, and that's all it is. Yeah, again, 327, that's on AdSense, so they're making money. Not to mention if they're using affiliate marketing, but we're not getting into that today. The next channel, guys, is Natural Cures. Now these have got 3.18 million subscribers, and these are doing the exact same, using the exact same products as Vidnami. Yeah, just text on a video or an image, and as you can see, they're making 547 to 8 grand a month, guys. Well, nearly 9 grand now. It's absolutely awesome. Now, this obviously is my channel, so I'm just gonna go back to the home page and scroll down so I can show you that this Movies Games Beyond is my channel. Now I've opened it up here. Here we are. There's Movies Games Beyond, and this is like my little toy, my little pride and joy with my sons. Yeah, it's what we make. Now it says I'm making 195 to 3.1 a month, and I'm making a lot. I'm not making as much as that, guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm making, I'd say, about half-ish. Yeah, and if you scroll down, yeah, I have people creating videos for me, so they don't all look this like this. But here, look. I'm using the same sort of videos, yeah. Let's go some more, yeah. So this one here, guys, Kevin Hart's daughter, right? If we look, here's one of my videos, and it's made me £61 so far. Another one of my videos, which we're just showing, is made me £8, and then Kevin Hart's daughter, guys, look, 157. Now you're probably thinking that's not a lot, but the more videos you put up, guys, the more you're going to make. Now they're getting views. Yeah, you can see these videos are getting views, and they're making money. I could easily print out every single one of these and show you different prices, but I just chose this one and 2 random ones. Yeah. I think that jet one's around here somewhere. It's in here somewhere, guys. But yeah, my point is, guys, that is Vidnami, right? Now, you come over to Vidnami, you can create a video, you can create it for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram / TikTok. Yeah. This is all I do, guys. This is exactly what I do. I click this, I choose whichever style I want. Yeah. If I don't want this box behind it, and I might want a bit like the writing like this, I can choose that. And the colours and that, it doesn't really matter. You can change. Or you might want a box like this. So we're just going to choose this one. Yeah. For instance, this is what it looks like. Then you write your paste in there, and if you know what you're writing, that's brilliant. You can just write it in there. What I do, guys, though, I come over to places like newspaper sites and stuff like that, and then say for instance, I'll click on this, and then I write it out in my own words, so that as if I'm telling a story. So, but for the sake of this video and for time's sake, I'm just going to copy this little bit out, yeah. And then what I'd do, I'd go down and I'd read that and I'd write that out, and I'd read that, write that out, and I come over here, and then all you do, if you've got your own website, your own blog post and that, you just do this, guys. Yeah. And I just split it up. So if it's like a full stop, sorry, a full stop, I'll do that. And then like, or you call to action, guys, comment below, or you could put like, click the link in the description. You click on create scene. It quickly, I mean, I've got like hundreds of tabs open with my, so yeah, done, guys. There we go. Here's your video, and that is it, guys. Now we're talking about Emma Watson and Angelina in this scene here. Seth Rogen confirms, yeah, Emma Watson. So you look for Emma Watson. You click on it. What did I say then? Oh, Seth Rogen. Where's Seth Rogen's name? He's not there, is he? So we'll just type in Seth Rogen, yeah. Name. For some reason it's not finding. Usually a lot of blows, guys. We'll just try Angelina. Right. Keep it on this. Move on to the next screen. Yeah. Now we'll look for Seth Rogen. I'm not sure what's going on, guys, but yeah. So you kind of get the gist of it anyway. Whatever you don't want to, you can click on images as well. So if you just want, you change whatever you want. You can come over to here. You can change the style, the colors, the font. You can bold it, italic, underline. If you didn't want the text there, guys, you click on something like this, and you can move the text if you want to see the picture. You can have images. You can have videos. You can upload your own text and you can upload your own videos and text and images. Sorry, yeah, that's how you do it, guys. And then when you're ready with that, click on. So obviously you take your time with it. You'd make your video yourself, like looking good. So this here, it says no voice track, music only. If you didn't want voice track, but then if you want auto voice, and if you didn't want to speak yourself, click here. You've got lots of different options. Yeah, from US, United Kingdom, Australia. I'm from the UK, so I'll click here. Or you can upload your own voice. Now, you can record your own voice. Now, all you do is you press record, read out whatever it says on that screen, press stop, and then move on to the next scene. And that's how easy it is. If you want to go on Fiverr and get someone to read the script out yourself, which will probably take a bit longer, guys, you have to wait for them to do it, then you could do that as well. You upload it. So I just use this. Yeah. Then you do that. It'll create a video. You download it, and then you upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's how easy this software is. And like I showed you here, I am using it. These are all, if you want to check my channel out, guys, and check these videos out, you will see that these are all automated voices, yeah? The robot sounding voices. And that's all I use. So once it's done that, you download it and then upload it to your video. So if you're interested in this, guys, and you're still unsure, there is a 14-day trial, yeah? You can get it for free and try it. 14 days, guys, to just pump out lots of different videos and create your, well, get off to a great start on your YouTube channel or TikTok or whichever you want to do, guys. Yeah, if you want to know a way to do it on TikTok, check out my other videos where I have uploaded recently. Here you go. How to earn money on TikTok, make money on TikTok, how to make money on TikTok. Yeah, if you want to learn how to do it on Fiverr, here we are, and so on, guys. And that is your 14 days, so you can pump out as many you want. But if you're eager to get started even faster and you don't want to get interrupted, here's a 25% off, guys. Vidnami for life, and you get it for $35 a month, which is a lot better than the $47 a month, guys. But not only that, you save on the for lifetime value. You also get this Storyblocks video clips library and Storyblocks music tracks library, which is saving $468 a year for the videos and then $180 a year for the music, which gives you over 790,000 and 30,000. Yeah, so come and check this out, guys. The links are in the description. Plus, go, guys. Not finished yet. You get this ultimate video blueprint pack. You save another $49. You get this 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet. You save another $49. And then these as well, saving more money and more money. And then the ultimate YouTube cheat sheet, saving another $49. We've discovered 22 proven tips and tricks to lock in top rankings on YouTube. So if you want to start a YouTube, you've got this cheat sheet. Yeah, you've also got these how to make different videos. You've got how to find clients, and then that's it, guys. So when you say look good, oh, you can choose music. Sorry, guys. Yeah, you got different moods. If you're happy, sad, inspiring, you've got different genres. Yeah, and then all you do is you just hover over it, and it plays. And then when you'll say hear one you like, you just click it. I don't even know what that sounded like, but yeah. And then it looks good, download, and then that, and it'll continue. It'll download for you guys. And that is it for today's video, guys. So if you're thinking, can you make money, yeah, on YouTube with Vidnami, then I have just proved it, guys. I am living proof. I am making money with Vidnami. I use it every single day, guys. I've got 5 or 6 channels now on YouTube, and I'm making Vidnami is like my ultimate tool. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the description if you use Vidnami. Have you tried it? Did you like it? If not, let us know why, guys. Yeah. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm Gerald. This is Make Money with Video. So goodbye.